I remember when I created this little boy, it was my absolute most favorite image from the Moss Stories book. I cut it out, I wanted to use it ASAP, and then it got lost. I have pouches of all sorts of images. While I work, I just cut it out. I don't use them all, so I put them in the pouches, and I think it went somewhere there, and I'm so happy to find it because I'm gonna use it on the next page in the glue book idea style type of a page. You love this one. I enjoyed it making it, and you know what, I want to be back to it, so I figured let's grab some leftovers. For example, this background, there was a little house there that I have used, and I kept the image. Obviously it's so pretty, so I think let's try to use this one now just as a starting point of our page. I think it's just so pretty, so let's have this one here. I don't like the lines as much, so I'm going to do a little bit of ripping like that, hoping that it will just be nicer. Then we can decide whether we wish to add something on top or underneath it, on the bottom, whichever, whatever, however it works. Now, this is here. So our kind of color combo is something like reddish, yellowish, tiny bit of a green. So I have the tickets, because the tickets, oh my, this is like heaven. I think I'm addicted from them. I need to get more of these, that's for sure. Tickets and some stamps. I got them from Inge, my gorgeous, beautiful friend, my crafty friend from Netherlands. She sent me those over. And I also have some vintage papers. So I think we have to just start gluing down. I think I'm going to just grab this vintage page, just like that, just there you go. It's going to go underneath here. How wonderful. Probably advisable would be to fussy cut this little person. I can do that off camera. I love these, all these stamps. Like, it's so just gorgeous. I love the vintage vibe of it. And why do I like this particular boy? He looks, and I remember someone said it, and it's so true, kind of like pixie Irish, like a little bit of Irish vibe. Fairy sort of, and the whole book, the Moss Stories, is in this kind of a vibe that is eternal, I don't know the word, but you know, ethereal, I think, like delicate but different, and I just love it. I'm so happy to have this image now because I truly wanted to use it ages ago. I'm gonna grab those yellow tickets because I think they will stand out nicely, right? This doesn't seem to be cut out. That's okay. We can cut it like this. Now, will I use them all? I don't know, but we can just have a sense of where we're gonna place it. How can we do it? Now, after this video, a lot of people have been asking where to get the tickets, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find similar or whatever similar thingies on Amazon or somewhere, and I'm gonna give you links, so please check. I don't know right now when I'm recording it if I got the links or not, but please check the description below this video. I've tried my best to definitely find you something. Look at it, it's so cute. I love it. It's such a fun as well thing to do, use all of these little bits and pieces. I think it's just so good, so good. I'm going to add some glue, and I fussy cut our boy, our beautiful pixie boy. He is super awesome. I really love this image, and I'm so glad. Now, truly, this glue book style page is such a freeing and very easy thing to do. I think it's great because you don't have to really focus on having like a story, really. Not really, I'm focusing here more on the color scheme than anything else. So by looking at my boy, he was like my first pick of what I wish on my page. By looking at him, the rest was kind of chosen because of that. And I think it's great that you are focusing your energy on color scheme rather than images as such, or how to create the story, what's next to each other and stuff. Here you can really just put elements that they just don't match in the first place, but together they are looking beautiful. So that's what I'm thinking, that's what I look for. and I think it's super awesome. Now, I don't know, shall we have... Actually, look, wouldn't that be fantastic if we could, look, rip this bit and have it there. Haha, yes please. How wonderful. What I love about the way as I see glue book is I'm trying to see that, trying to make sure that it is kind of matchy with each other, that there is like there is more connections between the elements than we think of in the first place. Something like that. Now, I have this, I don't know whether it's a sticker. It looks like a sticker tape. It is. Oh, I like that. I don't know where I got it from, to be honest. But I was thinking to... It's like a washi tape. It's like a washi tape... washi tape. It's like a washi tape strip. And I'll show you, because I have few of these. Like, but this is... I think this is just a paper. I think this is also a paper. I think this is a washi. This is a washi. This is a paper. So I got a mix, but honestly, I can't remember where. I think probably some sort of like these either Chinese websites or Amazon. I'm gonna check if I can find something similar.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Do you have any old spray bottles I could use?
Old spray bottles. Oopsie.
Yeah, small spray bottles.
Possibly, but right now, Hanyu, I can't really check because I'm recording.
Remember, you had one.
Spray bottles, like a small or big or what?
Like it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to
Like,
be too big, too small. Something similar.
Why don't you go to the bathroom, to the Shafkatam, and see, you know, the large one, yeah?
Okay.
There should be something. Okay, so we've got the boy, we've got it, and I was hoping to add stuff like this glue, guys. This is so good because it's a re-stick Elmer's up to 5 minutes, and it's recollable, whatever that means. So you can re-stick it again, and I like that because look, we can now, for example, oops, that's not really straight. And it will drive me. Okay, that's better. So that means I have to fix this one, right? Just slightly. Yes, okay. Voila. Now, so I'm thinking about having... Oh, by the way, I did it off camera, but look at his legs. I cut it here. I cut it here through so that I could get rid of this whiteness in between his legs and a mushroom, and look, it's going back on. You couldn't tell, like you could not tell. Ha, clever, right? So I suggest you to do so if you have trouble fussy cutting in between somewhere. That's a very good one. Now I need some glue there. Okay, ta-da. And I would love to lift... This doesn't want to lift. Oh, there we go. I would love to lift this. And have these back on. If possible, of course. There we go. Oopsie. Dee 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 dee. Sorry. Okay, so that's that. Then how about we are going grab the other half, which is the red ticket of the other half of the red ticket, going, let's say, here, right? Because we're kind of trying to not be symmetrical, no, not at all, but to kind of, I guess, have elements that will just match up nicely with each other. I certainly wish to keep that music notes here, this view of it, because I like that. Then the green one, let's put it as well somewhere, which we can put it here. Super. Then the yellow one, let's have this one. Now this one going maybe like here. Oh, that is so cute. Admit, choose the story, admit one, I don't know which one, maybe this one. It doesn't really matter, but okay. So I'm changing as well of where, what goes where. Now the stamp as well. maybe it's like a cute cluster, isn't it? Oh, I like that a lot. And I have another green one. And maybe we could put this one like sort of here. This one is Netherlands 5 cent. I like that. Sort of here. Then we've got this one. It's like a red one. I had another one, but I can't see it now. What about... Oh, it's so cute here. Oh, I like that. Then we have the yellow again and again, but no. Where is that? Oh, I have it. Look, I found it's this kind of brownie postage stamp, kind of brownie one, which I think would be so cute. Oh, that could be... You know what? How lovely is here. Wow, I love it. This is so pretty. This really is so pretty. Okay. I think I was lifting this so much that it lost its glue. So let's just put this. I need some title. One thing, I don't know about you, but I just feel that this is so clustered. This is like too bulky something. And look, what if we're gonna add a second piece, like this tiny tape? I'll show you it, and it's kind of soften everything. I'm sorry. That's not easy to... It's like, I just can't. Come on. It's this tiny... Oh, there we go. I have it. Now, so I'm going to have a little bit of this going on, like, let's say here, so that it's kind of... See, it's kind of breaking that heaviness on the left hand side. And I have the title from my very old stickers. Where is it? Are you wearing a confidence? Which I think it's funny. Or don't worry, I'm here. I like that. Don't worry, I'm here. So the only thing is I'm going to shorten it slightly. I always do. I don't know why, but I always do shorten it. So I'm going to shorten this as well here on the side. Dum-da-da-dum. And I think it's going to be lovely like this, like here or like here. Don't worry, I'm here. It's so cute. Don't worry, I'm here. He doesn't look too I don't know. I think it's just quite funny, to be honest. But I just do like putting this on him. Yes, we have it. Now, we haven't added any stickers, any splashes here. We kept it in blue and all. This one is in red and kind of reddish, yellowish green. I do love it. But I am tempted for some white splashes. I wonder your thoughts. But I am going to just have it. White splashes maybe, and even maybe some black too. Black will be from this paint set because why not? And it is here. It is here, and I have to really think for it of where I'm going to have it. Okay. Now, there we go. So black one, I think, could be lovely just where this one is, the kind of black stickers in here, which is nice. You know, this black, white and black, white and black. 1 second, Hanuś. Poczekaj, myszko. White and black tape. Yes, you can.
Okay.
And I think the white one only, and that's it. I guess someone is knocking to the door. And Poppy is getting all, I don't know if it's nervous or excited, but certainly curious of what's going on. We usually don't allow her to to bark when there is a knock at the door, but I'm here, so I guess I can't stop her. And here is the white one where the kind of where the clouds are, and here I think that's perfect. That's good. That's gorgeous. Am I adding like, no, I'm not going to jump in for greens and reds and stuff. I just really wish to keep it like that. Oh, beautiful. Don't worry, I'm here. My beautiful friends, quick and easy page, glue book page with some splashes, Marta style splashes. I really hoped you liked this one and enjoyed it. Please try it for yourself. All you have to do is grab some elements, washi tapes, tickets, stickers, scrapbook papers, anything really goes. This one was in the blue color, just for fun and having all in kind of bluey, browny, vintagey vibe. This one is more into vintagey but red and green, yellow touches. Like, I love it. I love it. Okay. Have a wonderful day, my beautiful friends, and I'll chat to you very soon. I love you. Bye for now.